What's going on YouTube? Wanted to make this video because I recently had a issue with my Jeep Gladiator Sport. It's a 2020 model. I don't know what had happened, but I'm pretty sure I figured out how to fix it if you have an issue where you cannot start your Jeep. I think it was just locked out. I think it was a security issue. What I did was I had the radio on and I took the doors off. Hung the doors up, thought nothing of it. Went to start the motor and I got nothing. The brake pedal was hard to push. Hit the start button and the only thing I would get would be this screen here, and that would be all that it would say. It would just say press brake, push button, push to start, push button. I would push the button, nothing would happen. Also use the key fob. You know, if your battery's low, you can push this into the key fob, into the start, and it will start it. That did not work. I got nothing. The only thing I could do was lock and unlock the doors. Radio would not come on. So if you have this situation where you've pulled off your doors, you've not been able to start the vehicle, there is an easy way to make this work. So let me open the hood and I'll show you what to do. Okay, as you can see, I pulled the hood up. We're going to take a look at the fuse box and show you what to do from there. Just pull it off. What I was doing was I was looking at the fuse box, the fuse panel, and I was trying to figure out, okay, there's got to be a fuse I could pull maybe to make this work. So I looked over this, and at the very top, there's one. It's the N1 is what you have to pull. So it's basically the auxiliary battery. There is a backup battery to keep you from losing all the information, your saved radio and everything else. You can disconnect it. So what you want to do is, first thing you want to do is loosen this bolt right here. This one is going to allow you to pull the battery post off, and simply pull that and loosen it. Now if you look here, the fuse panel, I got everything, all the covers are off. This is the N1. If you look at your guide, it will tell you what to pull. This is the auxiliary battery. Once you break this loose, lift it off, you'll hear everything click and go back on, and then you're actually able to start the vehicle. So just wanted to let you guys know that everything works now. Starts right up. You don't have to get it towed. I know that's a lot of concern for a lot of people, that they think you're gonna have to take it back to the dealership, but you can actually do it yourself if you have some kind of wrench or socket that you can actually take that N1 off. Again, it's the on a Jeep Gladiator Sport 2020. It is the N1 post. You just pull the nut off, release the battery, also release the positive post, and you should be able to start it once you reconnect. And thanks for watching. If I have anything else, I'll let you know.